Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel, Easy Matplotlib. My name is Amin, and I'm helping you with creating professional plus of your results using the Matplotlib library of Python. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and also if you have enjoyed my videos so far, please like the videos, and if you have any question, just leave me a comment. So far we have done a lot of things. You already know many things about how to make your plots in Matplotlib, but today it's actually a very important lesson, and I'm happy that I'm doing it. I'm doing this video today. It's about legends, and you know it's very important. Actually, I can say that there would be no plot that you can make without a legends. So let's start. For doing it, I have imported two type of data in Python. One is my own data, which I call it my data, and I have defined x1 and y1 for it. And also I have two models. So I just want to compare my own results with the models. And the models, it's actually three column data, x2 and y2 for the first model, and y3 for the second model. So it doesn't matter what is the data, what is the physics, what is x, what is y, it doesn't matter. So just let me start quickly. X1, Y1, and I just make the line width 0 here because you know it's just some experimental data, so I prefer to just have it as markers. So I give it some circle marker, and I make the edge color in black, and I make the face color in cyan, and marker size equals to 7, and okay, that's it. Let's see, how is it? Perfect. Very good. Very good. So let me also quickly define mhm, the labels. As you see, I have erased everything from the previous video so I could show you everything from the scratch here. So here I have it's she, actually it's the Greek uh, term I have. Let's make it 16, and plt dot while label r, and this one is st. Okay, good. No, not good. I have an error. It's not font size. It's the uh, it's just size, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, very good. It was just size. Okay. So let me also plot the models plt.plot and x2, y2, and this time I just make the line. So line would be its width would be 1, and the line style it would be hyphen hyphen, and I don't want any markers here, but just the color. I like it to be blue, and also the second model x2, y y3 again, and line style this time, let's make it just dash, and the color to be red. Okay, very good. It is done. So what we need here, we need the label, so the limit, so x limit 0 and 1, and plt dot y limit. I'm thinking like I haven't started the legends, and I already missed like 5 minutes of my video. Okay, that's it. So I have my data and two models. They are actually good agreement, but how can I show them on the plot? So for that, at the end of your plot, you have to say label. That's important. So you define your label as, let's say, my results. Okay. And here you say label equals to model 1. Okay, and here label equals to model 2. And okay, so I have given them labels, given each plot a label. So I have to start the legends. plt dot legend, it's actually start a command for the legend. Here it is. That's my data. That's my legend. So many things we can do. Well, first of all, this was the first video that you learned how to make multiple plots. So you just have to repeat the plt.plot, plt.plot, plt.plot. Doesn't matter how many lines you have, you can just do as many as you want. Okay, so uh, it's actually up to you that how many plots you would like to have on your uh, on your on your plot. So here I have 3 lines, so you can do more, and I have the legends. Okay, and I have the legends, my results, model 1, model 2. And the legend was just started by plt.legend, which was very simple things. There are many things that I want to show you about the legends, but I think I can do it in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So why not I just keep it for the next video, and let's say in this video you learned about multiple line lines plots. Okay, well, I think it was nice. So please also watch my next video, which I show you many things about the legend. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye bye.